Guys, hope you're all doing great. In this tutorial, I am going to introduce you an AI tools where you can create beautiful and advanced thumbnail for your videos. Are you ready? So let's get started. If you're a YouTuber, if you're working on social media and want to create advanced thumbnail, so you are in the right place. And the website which I'm going to introduce you called Thumbs.ai. Okay. Uh, the first you have to log in, and you can log in with your Gmail account. Yeah, very easy. As you can see, these are the examples of thumbnail. So how to create thumbnail? It's very easy. Login. Okay, I have already logged in with my Gmail account. On the left side, we have different options. Explore, as you can see here. You can click subject, text, you can use different things. So I'm going to click on create thumbs, as you can see here. And here you have two options, which is text to thumbnail, image to thumbnail. So let's try these options. Here you have to describe your thumbnail. Let me further create a thumbnail for my YouTube tutorial, and the title is how to create a thumbnail using AI. So you can write the way you want. So here you can add your face. So it is optional. So I will not actually add face. Here you can choose the style. It is also optional, but it's up to you. Okay, and you want or not. And then after that, just click generate thumbnail. Let's see how it looks like, the output. As you can see, it is generating 2%, 3%. So I'm going to pause the video and see the final result. It is almost finished, the generating thumbnail, 99%. As you can see, how to create thumbnail using AI. It has been generated by using this website. And yes, you can create your own thumbnail. Just try this AI tools, and yeah, I hope you will like it. And if you have any question, just drop them in the comment section. See you in the next video.